In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete your search history on Safari for iOS 18. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Apps. You will see a list of all apps installed on your device, arranged alphabetically. Scroll through this list and tap on Safari to access its settings. In the Safari settings, scroll down to find the option Clear History and Website Data. Tap on this option to begin clearing your history. You will be prompted to select a time frame for deleting your history, ranging from today's activity to all the data. There is also an option to toggle where you'd like to close all tabs after clearing your history. Once you have made your selections, tap the Clear History button at the bottom of the page. That's wrap up this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.